Hello everyone, this is a video about the effects of happiness on your body. If you didn't already know, we are the Smile Squad. Our main claim is that people need to take an active role in reducing their stress and boosting their overall happiness. We've already posted a video about the science of stress and its negative effects on your body, which helps boost our argument that stress should be mitigated. If you haven't already seen it, that video is linked down below. The positive effects of happiness discussed in this video will help show you some of the reasons why you should be happier. The first benefit of happiness that we are going to be talking about is that it protects your heart. A 2005 paper found that an increased level of happiness is correlated to a lower heart rate and blood pressure. In the study, participants rated their overall happiness over 30 times in one day, and did the same thing again 3 years later. The data from the follow-up indicates that those who were initially happiest had a heart rate that was, on average, 6 beats per minute lower than others, and the happiest participants during the follow-up had better blood pressure. Additionally, a 2010 study indicates that happiness has long-term effects on the heart. In this study, almost 2,000 Canadians were asked to talk about their different feelings while at work. Observers rated the presence of each participant's overall positive emotions on a scale from 1 to 5. 10 years later, those who were rated as happier were less likely to develop coronary heart disease. For each 1-point increase of positive emotions on the scale, there was a 22% decrease in the risk of heart disease. A second benefit of happiness is that it strengthens your immune system. In a 2006 study, 81 graduate students received the Hepatitis B vaccine. After the first 2 doses, the students were asked to rate their levels of positive emotions. Those who were high in positive emotions were almost twice as likely to have a high antibody response to the vaccine, indicating a healthy immune system. An earlier experiment indicates that the immune response for the same individual varies based on happiness. For 2 months, 30 dental students took pills containing a harmless blood protein from rabbits that causes an immune response in humans and rated whether they had experienced positive emotions that day. Participants had a better immune response on days in which they were happier, for they had more antibodies in the saliva that defend against foreign substances. A third benefit of happiness is that it combats stress. A 2009 study links happiness to how fast people recover from stress. Researchers asked students about how much they felt positive emotions at the time. Then, they were asked to complete a difficult math question while being videotaped, and were told that their professor would be evaluating them. Throughout the process, their blood pressure and heart rates were measured, and the heart rates of those who were initially happiest recovered the quickest. A fourth positive effect of happiness is that happy people have fewer aches and pains. This is proven in a 2005 study. Women with arthritis and chronic pain were asked to rate their positive emotions weekly over the course of 3 months. Those with higher ratings were less likely to experience increases in pains. A fifth positive effect of happiness is that it lengthens our lives. A 2010 study followed almost 7,000 Californians over the course of 30 years. Those who were most satisfied with their lives at the beginning of the study were less likely to die during the course of the study. While happiness does not fix everything, its numerous positive effects should be considered. Because it has so many positive effects, you should strive to stay as happy as possible and take an active role in achieving happiness. Thanks for watching!